At Pleavin Power, we're very excited as we're about to launch our very own range of industry-specific gensets. The reason we have chose to launch our own product range is to offer the customer a better all-rounded solution. These generators come with all the optional extras as standard, and with the option to have an industry-leading control system that is open source and synchronizable, configurable with automatic breakers from the factory. So the generator range includes everything from 33 kVA all the way through to 550 kVA. These generators have a number of optional extras that come as standard. They can have manual or automatic breakers. They come with 4 pockets, 110% bunding, Cummins engines, Stamford alternators, and the best bit of all, deep sea control systems. Having the deep sea control system fitted means it is open source, it is configurable by the customer, and it also means that you can have GenStream connected to it should you require remote monitoring. We offer these generators to be supplied and installed as a turnkey solution, or you can take yours away today and put it to work immediately. These generators are suitable for every possible application in the stationary market. They will support hospitals, data centres, farms, milking parlours, anything or anywhere where you require standby power applications. Pleavin Power 100% guarantee these gensets and can offer 24/7 turnkey solution support. If you're in the market for a generator, feel free to come down to Pleavin Power and have a look at what we have to offer. We're the up and coming market leader.